Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, touring suspension, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, fog lights, speed control. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.